Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to delete all search history on YouTube. So if you went right here to your search and you've seen that you have a lot of search history right here and you want to delete it all in one click, what you're going to do, you're going to click on you at the bottom right. And what you're going to do next, you're going to click on the settings here at the top right, and then you're going to click manage all history. And basically they will direct you to the to your Google personal account, and basically you're going to be able right here, to see saving your search history. First of all, you will need to toggle this one off if you don't want to receive, or if you don't want YouTube to record to keep a record of every search history that you made on YouTube. So you're gonna toggle this one off by clicking turn off, and basically you can just go back right here to the history. And if you want to delete the history, what you're gonna do, you're gonna be able right here to see auto delete off, right? And then you're gonna select auto delete option for your YouTube history if you want it to be the last 36 months or 3 months, or don't auto delete activity. And basically hit next to follow along, and then basically confirm that you want to delete the search history past 36 months, and then basically double click to confirm. Basically that's it. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.